Basal ganglia, the hidden brain system that runs your habits, routines, and automatic behaviors without you even noticing. Every time you walk without thinking, every time you type your password automatically, every habit you repeat daily, the basal ganglia is working silently in the background. In this video, we'll explain the basal ganglia in a simple, human, and easy-to-understand way so anyone can understand what it does, why it's so powerful, and how it shapes your daily life. What is the basal ganglia? The basal ganglia is a group of structures located deep inside the brain. It acts like an automatic control system. Once you learn a behavior well enough, the basal ganglia takes over, so you don't have to think about it anymore. That's why many actions feel effortless. Why the brain needs the basal ganglia. Your brain cannot consciously control every action. If you had to think about every step while walking, life would feel exhausting. The basal ganglia helps the brain by automating repeated behaviors, saving mental energy, reducing decision fatigue, and making actions smooth and efficient. This is how habits are formed. Basal ganglia and habits. Habits live inside the basal ganglia. When you repeat an action again and again, the brain stores it here. Over time, thinking brain activity decreases, automatic brain activity increases. This is why habits feel so hard to stop. They are deeply wired. Basal ganglia versus thinking brain. The thinking brain, the prefrontal cortex, is responsible for planning, decision-making, and self-control. The basal ganglia is responsible for automation, routine behavior, and muscle memory. When a habit is strong, the basal ganglia dominates and conscious control becomes weaker. Role of dopamine in the basal ganglia. Dopamine is the learning signal of the basal ganglia. When an action leads to a reward, dopamine is released. This tells the brain, remember this behavior. The stronger the reward, the stronger the habit. This is why habits linked to pleasure, like social media or junk food, become addictive. Basal ganglia and movement. The basal ganglia also controls smooth and coordinated movement. It helps you walk smoothly, write neatly, speak fluently, perform skilled actions. Damage to this system can cause movement disorders like Parkinson's disease. How the basal ganglia learns. The basal ganglia learns through repetition, feedback, and reward and punishment. Each repetition strengthens neural pathways. This process happens automatically without conscious effort. Why bad habits feel stronger than good ones? Bad habits often give instant rewards. The basal ganglia learns faster from immediate pleasure than delayed benefit. Good habits take time to feel rewarding. That's why consistency matters. How to use the basal ganglia to your advantage. You can train this system instead of fighting it. Psychology-based tips: start habits small. Repeat consistently. Keep rewards simple and immediate. Design your environment to support habits. Over time, the basal ganglia will make good behaviors automatic. Can habits be changed? Yes, but habits are not erased. They are overwritten. The basal ganglia keeps old habit pathways, but new ones can become stronger with repetition. This is why replacing habits works better than stopping them. Final message. You are not controlled by willpower alone. You are guided by brain systems working silently. When you understand the basal ganglia, you understand why habits control behavior and how to reshape them. Train your brain's automatic system wisely. Welcome to Psycacademy, where psychology turns unconscious habits into conscious power.